How to use remote desktop software on Android. If you are curious about how to use remote desktop software on your Android device, you have come to the right place. This technology is a game changer for administrative professionals who need to access their work computers from anywhere. Let's break down the steps to get you connected smoothly. First, you need to prepare the host computer, which is typically a Windows personal computer. Make sure it is running Windows 10 or Windows 11, as these versions support remote desktop protocol. To enable remote access, go to Settings, then System, and find Remote Desktop. Toggle the feature on. It is also important to note the computer's name, user account name, and password, as you will need these to connect later. Next, let's set up your Android device. Head over to the Google Play Store and download the official Remote Desktop application. Microsoft Remote Desktop is a popular choice and is user-friendly. Once installed, open the app and tap the plus icon to add a new remote desktop connection. Enter the computer name and user account information you noted earlier. You can also adjust settings like display resolution or sound preferences if needed. Now it's time to establish the remote connection. After entering the required details, tap Connect. When prompted, enter the password for the computer. Once connected, you will see the Windows desktop on your Android device. You can control it using touch gestures that mimic mouse and keyboard inputs. Using remote desktop software effectively in an administrative role can greatly boost your productivity. You can access Office applications and files securely from anywhere, making it easier to manage emails, schedule appointments, and edit documents without being physically present. This is especially useful during travel or when working from home. Keep in mind that your Android device should be running at least Android version 8.4 compatibility. The host computer must be powered on and connected to the internet for the remote access to work. For added security, it is wise to use strong passwords and consider using a virtual private network or network-level authentication. Some remote desktop applications offer features like multiple monitor viewing, clipboard sharing, and audio streaming, which can make your experience even better. In summary, using remote desktop software on Android involves enabling remote access on your Windows personal computer, installing and configuring the remote desktop client app on your Android device, and connecting to control your computer remotely. This capability is particularly beneficial for administrative careers, allowing you to manage multiple systems and maintain access to Office resources from various locations.